We are on the verge of a paradigm shift on how we detect pathogens, how we track them, how we type them. My research lab focuses on studying the molecular epidemiology of infectious diseases of economic and public health significance. The aim of my research work is to employ the advances in next-generation sequencing technologies into improving the prevention, control, and surveillance of infectious diseases like foodborne illnesses and poultry pathogens like avian mycoplasma. In Maryland, we have one of the highest densely populated areas with commercial poultry production, specifically broilers, which are meat bearers. With this dense population of poultry, significant disease challenges arise, and it's very important to employ our knowledge in order to keep this highly economic flocks safe from disease challenges. One of the most common is highly pathogenic avian influenza. Through understanding the genetic makeup of these strains, we have found that around 80% of the outbreak has been introduced through wild bird direct introductions into commercial poultry. Thanks to the advances in computational biology and genomic technologies, hopefully that will lead us to identify better interventions in managing these diseases through better vaccines. Studying microbiome is of utmost importance in understanding infectious disease process. The new Center of Microbiome at the University of Maryland represents a unique opportunity for me. As a relatively new researcher in this area, I needed a network of computational experts to connect with and get their help. Also, I needed equipment and additional sequencing resources that enable us to generate these big data and computational resources to analyze it and the skills to better understand it.
Data from high-sec instrument is the main data we are going to use.
One Health is a concept that we all embrace at University of Maryland. That concept stems from our belief that our world is more connected than ever. We are realizing the interconnectedness between the animal, human, and environmental health. In the past, we used to look at one pathogen at a time and look at the phenotype and how it should change the clinical presentation of the disease. But right now, we are trying to look at the microbiome changes and the pathogen changes and how it affects the clinical presentation of the disease. Hopefully, we will make the University of Maryland known for microbiome studies and the One Health arena where microbiome has a big potential to grow and enable our understanding of this concept of One Health. We are one center dedicated to One Health.